Well, I'm ready to deploy it. So I need to go to my free locals. Here I open the terminal. And inside my terminal, I will make it bigger. I write Terraform init. Good. You notice it created the folder Terraform and the file Terraform loc.hcl. I clear the terminal and I write Terraform apply. Let's read it. One resource to add. It is policy string. That's this one. That's better. The path is Terraform tutorial, which is this one. The description came from locals, and it is from local. I think you already start to understand that local is an alternative to input variables, and the big advantage of it, you don't have to specify the values for locals when you start the Terraform apply. They're like constants, or not always constants, but you can treat them like something which you cannot modify directly from outside. You cannot write Terraform applied and the local name to modify it. So they are predefined in Terraform configuration. That's their advantage of them, that they are predefined and you don't have to specify them in Terraform apply command. Also, if you notice, I have the effect allow because my default value was true. And the action is list all my buckets, and the tags all is creator Terraform. It came from here. Let's write yes to apply. And if you read it, you will see that one resource was created. It is the ARN of the resource which was created. Let's go to AWS and check it. I go to IAM. I go to policies. I filter by type, customer managed, refresh. And I see here the policy string. The description is correct. The JSON is correct. The tags is correct. Everything was deployed as we wrote in main TF and reference to locals. Let's commit it. Check locals. We created the file. Check variables. We created this file. Check main TF. We also created it. Add everything to the stage. Close those temporary files with the differences. The commit message is created locals.tf, new line, locals, commit.